Hello friends, I am here with my channel Solving Questions with Gauri Ma'am. Here we solve questions from various MSc entrance examinations. The today's question for my video is from JNU Biotechnology Entrance 2018. The question is from Cell Biology. Cytochrome P450 is found in membrane of. The options are Golgi, ER, peroxisomes or lysosomes. We'll see what are these organelles in short and find the answer for the question. So first, discussing with the Golgi apparatus. This is the organelle present in eukaryotic cell. It is a single membrane organelle. After the ER, what we find is a Golgi complex in a cell. In continuation with nucleus, then endoplasmic reticulum, and then we observe Golgi complex in the cell. So the part of Golgi which is towards the ER is known as a cis Golgi. Then it is a middle part, we call it as a median Golgi, whereas the trans Golgi is the part of Golgi complex which is towards the plasma membrane. This organelle basically is involved in protein trafficking. Proteins and lipids are trafficked from the Golgi complex. From the endoplasmic reticulum, proteins are coming to the Golgi. In the Golgi complex, O-linked glycosylation takes place on the protein. And then through the Golgi membrane, vesicles are formed and these proteins are packed into vesicles and are transported further to their location. So this is a function of the Golgi complex. We find these Golgi complex in a major amount in cells which are specialized for the secretion. The N-linked glycosylation which had started in the endoplasmic reticulum get completed into the Golgi complex. And in the Golgi complex, O-linked glycosylation takes place and that protein is transported to its destination. So this is about the Golgi complex. We do not found P450, cytochrome P450 in membrane of the Golgi complex. So let's move to the next option to find the answer. So the second option is ER, that is endoplasmic reticulum. The membrane of endoplasmic reticulum is having this cytochrome 450. This is present there for the neutralization of the xenobiotics. Xenobiotics means some harmful substances which are taken by the body and which are harmful for the body. That are harmful because that are water insoluble. That's why this cytochrome P450 converts these xenobiotics into a water-soluble compounds so that that can be excreted from the body and will not cause any harm to the body. So during this reaction, this cytochrome P450 catalyzes these many number of reactions. It can catalyze for hydroxylation, it can go for dealkylation, sulfoxidation, epoxidation. It can carry out deamination, desulfuration, dehalogenation or peroxidation can be done by the enzyme cytochrome P450. Cytochrome P450 found in a high amount in the endoplasmic reticulum of the liver cells, but it is also present in other body cells also and present in the ER. The next option is peroxisomes. This is a single membrane organelle which is present in a eukaryotic cell. This is mainly involved in a biosynthesis of membrane lipid plasmalogens. Secondly, the function of peroxisome is to carry out the beta oxidation of lipids. In case of animal cell, peroxisome and mitochondria, these two organelles carry out beta oxidation, but in case of plant, Peroxisome is the only site where beta oxidation is carried out. Moving to the last option is a lysosome. This is the organelle which is involved in the digestion of bacteria or viruses which are invading in the body. This lysosome contains about 40 types of different enzymes which are used for the digestion of the invading pathogens. The enzymes may be of type proteases, nucleases. It can be a glycosidases, lipases, phospholipases, or it can be a phosphatases. So whatever the pathogen antigen is coming, that can be cleaved in the lysosome. These enzymes are acid hydrolases. These require acidic environment for its proper functioning. So in the lysosome, pH is kept at a pH 5. This is done by ATP-driven H pump present on the membrane of the lysosome. That's why these enzymes can work in a proper way. But this organelle also do not have any concern with the presence of cytochrome P450 on its membrane. So the answer for the question becomes option B. Endoplasmic reticulum is having cytochrome P450 in its membrane. Now it's time to have a question for my next video. The question is from JNU Entrance for MTech Biotechnology 2018. The following is the list of amino acid placed in the order of neutral, acidic and basic. Choose the correct order. So different amino acids are given. In first two options, serine glutamic acid and arginine is given in two different orders, whereas in other two options, aspartic acid, lysine and tyrosine are given in two different orders. And it is asked that which is the correct order. So we will solve this question in my next video. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and also to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.